Welcome to the Facebook Ads case study. In this, I am going to show you how I was able to achieve 11x return in Facebook Ads within 45 days. Hey there, this is Suresh here. I help e-commerce brands to grow their revenue through digital marketing. So let's get started. Before going to the video, we will look at the results first. In the screen, you can see the results. In Feb month, I was able to generate 33k GBP in a month by spending around 11,000 GBP. So in this video, we are going to see 4 sections. The first one, strategy, like our regular strategy, what I used. Second one, promotion strategy. This is separate from the normal strategy. Third one, budget optimization. The last one, how I scale, which is more important for any business. Now we will look at the funnel strategy. Okay. So in the funnel, we had 4 stages. The stage 1, top of the funnel, stage 2, mid funnel, stage 3, bottom of the funnel, and in the last stage, we have targeted the people who already made a purchase. It's kind of back-end targeting. First, we'll look at the top of the funnel. In top of the funnel, we tested with the multiple audiences and multiple ad copy. Okay. In the screen, you can see some of the ad sets performed well, like lookalike, other brands, other general interest. We targeted based on interest, demographics, behavior, and lookalike. Basically, we targeted the entire things in a different ad sets. In the initially, we targeted with the dynamic ad copy to know which is performing well and which is not performing. After some time, we stopped whatever the images are not performing and we started running ad with the best performing ad copies. So these are the things we did in the top of the funnel. So we were able to get a 5 to 7x in this. Okay. So upcoming stages only we were able to generate more than 10x, 15x, 20x. But in the cold, we were getting less than 7 or around 7. So in the mid funnel, we targeted only people who engaged with the Facebook or Instagram page. Okay. So here mainly we are targeting those people because they have interest, but due to some reason they are not visiting the site. Okay. So here is the goal to bring the customer to the site. When they are coming to the site, they will go to the bottom of the funnel. So here also we targeted Instagram engaged users, Facebook engaged users with the stories and more kind of videos. Also we have used different kind of lifestyle photos on this stage. So let me show you some examples which we used in the stage 2. So in the stage 3, bottom of the funnel, we are targeting people who visited the site, like who viewed the content or who added the product to cart or who initiated the checkout. These are the people who more likely to convert. Okay. So especially in this stage, we were getting higher conversion rate. Let me tell you. So in this stage, we were getting more than 15x on return on ad spend. So here we know in this stage, people who have an interest, but due to some reason, they not converting. Here we are not communicating anything. Just we communicated offer plus urgency, also scarcity. So these are the main things we communicated on the ad. In the last stage, we have promoted other products to the people who already purchased from us. So it's kind of back-end targeting. Okay, the people who already know about the brand and the product quality. So now it's a very easy, right? The same kind of thing happened for us. So it's very easy for us because we promoted other new collection to the same people who purchased maybe last month or before that. Okay. Here we just communicated the offer and scarcity or urgency. Okay. So these are the ad communication we communicated on the ad. Here also we got around 15x return on ad spend. Okay. When we look at overall ad spend, we are getting 11x, but the cold campaign is less than 7. Okay. So the warm and hot and the retargeting. These are the main stages we were getting more than 10 to 20x. Then finally the 11x is the on average. So this is the funnel strategy So we have more things to explore, but I quickly explained more important things in this video. Maybe I can make a separate video on the funnel strategy and what are the things we should do. So just I wanted to show what are the things I did in this funnel strategy. Next we will look at the promotion strategy. In the promotion strategy, we were running 30% off, but in the funnel strategy, we were giving around 10 to 15% offer, but in this promotion strategy, we were giving 30% off, but it's not for entire month. It's for only few days, like 2-3 days in the month end. We call as a payday sale. Okay. Around the month end, we run payday sale every month. Okay. During this period, we target whoever engaged with the brand in 45 days. Mainly, we target only retargeting the people. Okay, we will also reach the new people, but when it compared to the retargeting, cold is less. But we more focus on the retargeting to get higher returns or to recover the entire sales. Whoever have not purchased in the last 45 days. Okay, here although the ad copy is very simple, the offer, urgency and scarcity. Only the cold stage we communicate about the benefits or offer or other many things based on the audience we target. But in this stage we targeted or we communicated only product, offer, urgency and scarcity. So these are the main things we communicated on the copy. So in this stage also, I mean in this promotion sale also, we were able to generate around 20x. Okay, so this is kind of booster for the entire overall return on ad spend. Okay, even around 1 to 20, 25, the sale was less like 7x or 8x. After this payday sale only, it increased to 11x. Okay, so that's the reason we always run payday sale in a regular upcoming month. Now we will look at the budget optimization, which is more important when you want to get less cost per result on every purchase. Let me show you how I split the budget to get maximum result. I split 60% of the budget to cold audience, 30% of the budget to warm or retargeting campaigns like mid of the funnel and bottom of the funnel. 10% I spent to retarget the people who already purchased from us. It's kind of back-end targeting, which I already told you. Okay. So in the last, we will look at how I was able to scale the campaigns. Okay, there are many things to do, but let me tell you what I did. Okay, first I increased the budget by 20% every week. I did not increase the budget suddenly like 50% or 100%. I did not increase, just 10 to 20% based on the performance. Okay, second one, I added many ad sets. I mean, new audiences. N number of audiences I added. I see for, I will check for the 2-3 days. If it is performing, I will run with the budget increment. If not, I will turn off on the second or third day. So same way, I did many campaign. I turn off many. I turn on many, or I increase the budget to the many ad sets. Okay. So by doing this, we will filter the audience which is performing well. Okay. So when you do for around 15 days, you will have 5 to 10 campaigns which is performing well. Okay. Then keep increasing your budget slowly, not suddenly. Okay. So these are the two things I do it mainly. Other than that, if some campaign is not performing, I will duplicate. Then I will run it for the new campaign because it was performing well fast. Then after some time, due to some ad fatigue, it was not running. Then I make a new ad campaign with the same thing like copy, audience, everything. I will increase the budget slowly there. Again, it will start performing. I hope this case study helped you to understand more about the Facebook ads and how you can increase or you can get more purchases from Facebook ads by running proper campaigns. There are more things to learn, but if you implement these things to your brand, definitely you can see the difference in the conversions. If you need any help, you can book a call with me where we can discuss about your brand strategy, and how I am going to help you to grow your brand or sales. Okay, so in the video below you can find a button to book a call with me if you need help to grow your brand through Facebook ads. So sure, book a call. I am here to help you to get your more sales.